Praise the Lord. How are you? Yesterday, when I was talking about true salt, I spoke about rock salt and also black salt. I even spoke about bhaji. So, the people are saying that bhaji means, can you help me out with bhaji? So, I said about aloo bhaji, but let me start with leafy vegetable bhaji, that is called pakoda. And this is a family, and I can also say that it can be a substitute of spinach. So, this is a Bacilla alba. Bacilla alba is the scientific name, and it belongs to the family Basilaceae. You know, right? Malvaceae, Fabaceae, Asteraceae. Asteraceae is the largest family. So, in this is called as Malabar spinach. So, you might think that Malabar gold, but I'm talking about Malabar spinach. So, this Malabar spinach, where it is rich in vitamin A, C, K, magnesium, manganese, iron content, and also it lowers the blood pressure and also reduces the oxidative reduction. So let us start up. Let me show you this one. There are two kinds of this leaf. Okay, this is called Malabar spinach. It is of two varieties. This one is white variety, and let me show you, this is a red variety. So in red variety, you can see the size. It is this much of size, or mostly it can be this much of size. So this is a large leaf in this variety. This is a thin leaf where it can be used in doing dals. You can use this in preparing dals. Okay. And also, if you can see this one, the size of this much is little bigger than compared to red one. Okay, and if I can cut the leaf, I'll show you how much the size it is. So this much is the size, and if you keep on making it, let me show you the size, how big it will be. Okay, this is the size of white basil. Okay, it's a Malabar spinach, and you can observe the size of this much. And this is thick in size and also large. So if you can see this one, it is small in size and very thin, and this is thick. So let me harvest today this one and getting you prepared a pakodi. So let's meet after this harvest. So we harvested this Malabar spinach, and you know why I'm not plucking this, because it is today I'm talking about pakodi. So let us have this leaves only. It is good for preparing in pakodi. This variety can be used in preparing dal. This also can be used, but this is very good, rich in manganese, and if the thickness is there in leaf, the chlorophyll also will stay much. So this really helps us in preparing pakodi, and I can guarantee you that this Malabar spinach can also be substitute spinach. Thank you. Hi, so we all harvested our leaves, which are used in preparing our dish today. What's in special? So we have to wash leaf by leaf, and to get it, because it should be free from mud and whatever the viruses or fungus should be relieved, it should be washed. Hello sisters and brothers. So let me show you the cutting, how we should cut, and let us arrange this way. So we are arranging, and you have to cut like this. It's almost like French fries, right? It is like a cutting of French fries, but we are not doing any French fries. And also this is a way that we are cutting for doing pakodi, and I just kept aside a small leaves which is used. We can directly dip this into basin, and also we can fry it in deep fry in oil. Hello. So for this pakodi, let me tell you what you have to take as an ingredients. This is chickpea. So we basically say that basin, right? We have to filter. This is a filter for flour. So we have to keep a cup. It's a big cup we have to take. So keep this flour, and then let's filter it. such that whatever the impurities is there, you have to filter it. Okay, what we have as an impurities, we should also ask God to filter this. So we are using gram flour, that is chickpea, and to this let me add a chopped curry leaves, and also these are chopped, finely chopped green chilies, and this is turmeric powder, and let me add salt. What is our topic is true salt, so you have to keep a little, let's say this, and it's a masala pakodi, so we are adding ginger garlic paste, and we are using pinch of soda, baking soda, and to this for crispiness we are adding rice flour. So let us add how much. You can add entire also, because it's a proportion where we can save 3:1 ratio, and that's it. First, if we add water, then if we filter it, then that walls will not get stick with the flour. Okay, so we'll mix it properly. And why I'm not using red chili powder, because it's already red chili powder only I added more, so it's my theme today is only like greenery kind, so I want to use only green kind of ingredients I want to use it. So this is what the paste that we'll get. It's in the thick paste that I'm preparing. So for this one, as I am adding, you can take this leaves, chopped leaves, and you have to keep on mixing it. Okay, so you have to add like this, right? Then you will get this pakoda. Hello, so let us start this. Oh, let's light this one and let this kadai to get warm. You have to increase the flame. You have to keep it very warm such that the water, whatever is there, it should be dried out. You can see some water. So it is drying out. And then you have to add oil. For deep fry, you need to have more oil. To this one, as I prepared this batter, I'm just giving little coriander powder, sizzling over it. So I prepared this batter and seasoned with coriander powder. And if you want, you can also add red chili powder to have a color. But it's my concept is only greenery that I should be seeing here. So this oil also got heat. Just we have to keep it a little in batches wise. Malabar spinach pakodi is getting ready. You can make it in slim flame also, such that it will cook inside out. You can see the color where we'll take from outside also the same palak pakodi, same as the Malabar spinach pakodi is like the same. Malabar palak pakodi. So this is the pakodi where we can see the color. It has been cooked, and you can also observe the crispiness because of this rice flour what we got it, right? So we are just keeping here. This is a leaf-like tray. So let us serve with Malabar spinach pakodi is ready to taste.